Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful function in Excel that allows you to format numbers as phone numbers. This is particularly useful when you have a list of unformatted phone numbers and you want to make them more readable. Let's dive right in. Imagine you have a list of phone numbers like this. This is just a string of digits and it can be hard to read at a glance. What we want is to transform this into a more familiar and readable format. Excel has a function called text that can help us do exactly that. The text function converts a value to text in a specific number format. Here's how you can use it to format phone numbers. First, click on the cell where your unformatted phone numbers is located. Let's say it is cell D5. In another cell, enter the following formula: equal to text, open the bracket, select the cell, comma, double quotation and open the bracket, 3 times hash, close the bracket, space, again 3 times hash, hyphen and 4 times hash, double quotation, close the bracket. Here equal to text, this is the beginning of the function, and D5, this is the cell that contains the original number we want to format. And this is the format we want to apply. The hash symbol or placeholders for the digits in our number. When you press enter, Excel will take the number from cell D5 and format it according to the pattern we specified. I can now drag the fill handle down to apply this formula to the rest of the numbers in column E. And that's it. A quick and easy way to make your phone numbers more readable using the text function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Also hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.